Fried chicken with Kropeck recipe. Ingredients: 1 whole chicken cut into quarters or halves, 2 tbsp soy sauce, 1 tbsp fish sauce optional, 1 tsp salt, a half tsp black pepper, 1 tsp garlic powder, 1 tsp onion powder, a half tsp paprika, a half cup cornstarch, a half cup all-purpose flour, 1 egg, a half cup water, cooking oil for frying, Kropeck prawn crackers, fried. Instructions: 1. Marinate the chicken. In a large bowl, mix soy sauce, fish sauce if using, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika. Coat the chicken pieces with the marinade and let it sit for at least 1 hour, overnight for best flavor. 2. Prepare the batter. In another bowl, whisk together cornstarch, flour, egg, and water until smooth. The batter should be slightly thick but pourable. 3. Fry the chicken. Heat cooking oil in a deep pan to 350 F175C. Dip each marinated chicken piece in the batter, ensuring an even coat. Fry for 10–12 minutes per side or until golden brown and crispy. Ensure the internal temperature reaches 165 F75C. Drain excess oil on paper towels. 4. Prepare the Kropeck. Heat a small amount of oil in a pan. Drop in the Kropeck and fry for a few seconds until they puff up. Remove quickly and drain excess oil. 5. Serve. Arrange the fried chicken on a plate and surround it with crispy Kropeck. Serve hot with your favorite dipping sauce. Enjoy your crispy fried chicken with Kropeck. Subscribe, follow, like, comment, and share this video. Thank you for watching.